Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about troubleshooting Disney Plus login codes on smart TVs. To fix the Disney Plus login code on smart TVs, enter the 8-digit code shown on the TV at disneyplus.com/begin on a computer or phone. If the code fails, hard reset the TV by unplugging it for 60 seconds, restart your Wi-Fi router, reinstall the Disney Plus app, or update the TV firmware. The first step that you can try is generating a new code. If the code is expired or rejected, log out on the TV, try logging in again, and use the new code generated. You can try unplugging your smart TV from the wall for 60 seconds to perform a hard reset and restart the Wi-Fi router. You can also try clearing cache if your TV allows it. If the issue persists, ensure your subscription is active, as login issues can occur if a third-party subscription has expired. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.